Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates the correct installation of glass and charcoal media into a Napoleon Elevation X gas fireplace.
Now that the decorative panels are placed and the rear log support has been resecured, let's place the media. Start by placing 2 larger piles of clear glass media closer to the side of the decorative panels between the 2 burners. Then place 2 smaller piles of glass media in the center towards the middle of the burners. Distribute the clear glass media throughout the base of the firebox, ensuring to cover all ember bed light lenses. After adding the clear glass, add the Topaz glass to fill in the spaces and give an ember bed effect between the lighter and the darker glass colors. Spread the supplied charcoal chips along the front ember bed light lens and down either side of the firebox. Don't be afraid to break larger charcoal chunks into smaller pieces. It's a good idea to turn off the lights in the room to inspect how the ember bed light bulb looks through the media placement. If you see a bright bulb spot, use a combination of the clear and colored glass media as well as the charcoal chips to diffuse the bright hot spot.
Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.